apophrenia, pareidolia, hallucination, illusions, psychosis, and to follow me down the rabbit hole, Alice in Wonderland, Morpheus, Neo, Trinity, schizophrenia. So basically, Professor John Nash came up with this whole Nash equilibrium, they call it. And he called it governing dynamics. Governing dynamics is basically, I think it's called game theory in economics. And his whole idea of Nash equilibrium, governing dynamics, was sort of like a paradigm shift in economics. And what I find fascinating with John Nash's formula was, it was really a metaphor. It was actually an analogy. Metaphors and analogies are they're dichotomy. You know, they're mutually exclusive. All of both terms are used interchangeably. You know, metaphors is basically finding commonalities between different forms of existence. And analogies is also finding commonalities between different forms of existence, but analogies is where we correspond the commonalities between these different forms of existence. Like one example is when Romeo says Juliet is like the sun. That's a metaphor. So why is Juliet like the sun? Why does Romeo posit that Juliet is like the sun? Because she radiates. She has a beaming smile.